shoes. Number 6, pearl.
Okay,
Number
so
7,
for this
silk.
mini project,
Number
we have to
8, jade.
follow the assignment
Number
structure.
9, watches.
The
Number
entire
10,
course
sunglasses.
will be evaluated
So, welcome to the world
and
of
system evaluation will be
China.
there. So nobody is gonna
So here
give
is a
you
list
marks.
of 10 best
You have to
things
submit the
that you
assignments
can buy in
on
China
time.
for
If you
cheaper
miss,
than cheap.
nobody can
Number
give the
1,
marks.
accessories for electronics.
The
Number
first thing is
2,
very important. We learn
headphones and
timely
speakers.
submission
Number
and
3,
timely completion of the
t-shirts.
project.
Number 4,
The entire project
purses
will
and
start
wallet.
with individual
Number
assignments,
5,
and first
shoes.
10 to 12
Number
assignments will
6,
remain
pearl.
individual,
Number
where you will be
7,
judged
silk.
on your own performance.
Number 8,
I think
jade.
assignment 13
Number
onwards or
9,
somewhere we
watches.
merge.
Number
We'll let you
10,
know when we are merging you, and then you can work in groups.
Welcome to the world of Made in China.
The assignments
So
are
here's
already
a list
posted
of
on
10
LMS, so I'm not
best
sure about
things
the
that you
deadlines.
can buy
They
in
might
China
not be
for
correct at
cheaper
that time,
than
but
cheap.
every
Number
Friday
1, accessories
of every
for
week
electronics.
will be the
Number
submission for
2,
the entire class,
headphones and
irrespective of
speakers.
their batch.
Number 3,
But
t-shirts.
since
Number
this Friday's
4,
batch will not get
purses
even a
and
day to
wallet.
complete,
Number
the first
5,
submission will start
shoes.
from next
Number
week's Friday.
6, pearl. Number 7,
Okay.
silk.
And
Number
it is not batch
8,
wise. So
jade.
Monday batch will not
Number
submit on
9,
next Monday.
watches.
It will be Friday.
Number 10, sunglasses.
So for first batch they
So,
got 5 days extra,
welcome to the world
but
of
we can consider
Made in
them.
China.
I cannot
So
manage
here is
that.
a list of 10 best
So
things
we
that
start
you
with
can buy in
project
China
idea
for
submission.
cheaper
That is
than
your
cheap.
assignment
Number
1.
1,
So here
accessories
we will
for
ask you to
electronics.
submit
Number
at least
2,
3 project ideas.
headphones and speakers.
And here,
Number
what are
3,
the requirements with the
t-shirts.
project idea?
Number
First, it
4,
has to be a unique idea.
purses and wallet.
Secondly,
Number
it has to
5,
be a hardware
shoes.
plus
Number
software.
6, pearl.
So that means
Number
it
7,
must have a
silk.
microcontroller.
Number 8, jade.
Okay?
Number
You
9,
need to
watches.
learn
Number 10,
all the stages of
sunglasses.
hardware development
So,
as well as software
welcome to
development.
the world
And that's
of
why
Made
the
in
requirement is like that.
China. So here is a list
Because
of
once you have
10
microcontroller,
best
programming
things
is
that
mandatory.
you can buy in China for cheaper than cheap.
So
Number 1,
we will learn in this
accessories for
workshop
electronics.
how to
Number
build a
2,
hardware, how to
headphones
program
and
it, how
speakers.
to model
Number
it, how to
3,
make a final product
t-shirts.
like a mobile
Number
phone
4,
which has
purses and
embedded
wallet.
system in it,
Number
and then
5,
how to make a
shoes.
UI for it or
Number
front end
6,
for it.
pearl. Number
Since
7,
I think
silk.
from this batch onwards they
Number
do not have
8,
mini project
jade.
2, which is a software
9,
project.
watches.
Some of the assignments will be based on software as well.
So, welcome to the world
First
of
week का requirement क्या है? You have to
So here is a
submit
list
3
of
ideas.
10 best
Now
things
for
that
the idea
you can buy in
submission,
China
what
for
you will do
cheaper
is you will
than cheap.
submit a
Number
detailed
1,
title
accessories
in
for
one line,
electronics.
what you are
Number
doing,
2,
and this title
headphones
should
and
represent
speakers.
most
Number
of the things.
3,
So after reading that one
t-shirts.
line,
Number
people
4,
should understand what you are
purses
trying to
and
do.
wallet. Number
Secondly,
5,
it should have a
shoes.
5
Number
line
6,
abstract.
pearl.
So how to write that
7,
abstract?
silk.
I will just give you one
Number
brief
8,
explanation.
jade. Number 9, watches.
The nature summary paragraph is what we
Sunglasses.
refer.
So, welcome to the world
For
of
your knowledge, Nature is the #1 journal in the
So
world,
here is a list
and
of
they
10
have given some
best
guidelines of
things
how
that
to build
you can buy in
a summary
China for
paragraph.
cheaper than cheap.
So we
Number
follow
1,
that. First line,
accessories for
first 2 lines
electronics.
is the
Number
basic introduction
2,
about the
headphones
project.
and speakers.
This is where you
Number
explain
3,
it to the general public
t-shirts.
who are not
Number
engineers.
4,
They might be your
purses
friends from
and
the
wallet.
school.
Number
They might be a
5,
10th standard
shoes.
student. They
Number
might be your
6,
grandparents.
pearl.
Everyone should understand
Number
what you are
7,
doing.
silk.
These are the first 2 lines
Number
in the
8,
abstract.
jade.
Second
Number
is
9,
more detailed
watches. Number
version
10,
of your project, which is for
So,
the engineers
welcome
in
to the
your
world of
stream.
Made
For
in
example,
China.
electronics engineer will
So here is a
understand
list
the
of
next 2
10
lines.
best things
Then comes
that
the
you can buy in China
General
for cheaper
problem.
than
What is
cheap.
the problem you are
Number
trying
1,
to solve in the
accessories
society?
for electronics.
Next
Number
statement is
2,
how
headphones
you
and
are going to
speakers.
solve. So
Number
method,
3,
what you are going to
t-shirts.
follow.
Number 4,
The next
purses
line
and
is
wallet.
results which you
Number
will not submit
5,
at this point
shoes.
because
Number
we don't
6,
know what will be the
pearl.
result.
Number
So that is
7,
a
silk.
blank line. You don't have to submit
Number
anything
8,
in that.
jade.
And last line is
Number 9,
in general
watches.
context, what is the
Number
use
10,
of this project to the society?
So, welcome
Okay.
to the world of
I highly recommend
Made in China.
refer all the
So
projects
here is a
from
list of
different
10
websites, but do
best
not
things
copy
that
paste
you
as
can
it
buy in
is.
China for
I'm
cheaper
telling you
than
again,
cheap.
if you try
Number
something
1,
very new and
accessories
even
for
if you
electronics.
fail in making
Number
that,
2,
we appreciate
headphones
rather
and
than
speakers.
repeating somebody
Number
else's
3,
work.
T-shirts. Number 4,
Understood?
purses and wallet. Number 5, choose. Number
So
6,
that was the
pearl.
instruction for
Number
the
7, silk.
first
Number
title
8,
selection.
jade.
So only
Number 9,
submission
watches.
you will need
Number
to
10,
do is on the
sunglasses.
Word file.
So,
So
welcome to the world of
here
Made in
I would
China.
recommend you to
So here's a
start
list
using
of 10
latex.
best
Okay.
things that you can
So
buy in China
you can
for
submit it in the
cheaper
Word
than
file in
China.
this format,
Number 1,
which we can directly
accessories
use
for
in latex
electronics.
later.
Number
So
2,
make a new Word
headphones
file and
speakers.
just type
Number
down your
3,
title
t-shirts. Number 4,
and then
purses
abstract.
and wallet. Number 5,
Clear?
shoes.
And then abstract
Number
will go like
6,
first line,
pearl.
second line, third line,
Number
fourth
7,
line, whatever.
silk. Number 8, jade.
Clear till this
Number
point?
9, watches.
Now
Number
coming
10,
to the
sunglasses.
assignment 1B,
So,
or let me
welcome to
just
the world
check.
of Made in China. So here is a list of 10 best things that
Component list submission. So this is where your knowledge gain will be tested. So here is one sample component list attached. Let me just see, is it perfectly formatted or not. So for example, student name, roll number, TY, EXCP, whatever batch number, project title, 1. So this is the component for your first project submission. So you will need serial number, component, image of the component, cost of the price, quantity, and description with online price link. Clear? And similarly for first project, let's say you need these two components, you just mention that. Next, project title 2. Similarly, you have to complete the list for all 3 projects. Am I clear with this? So that is your second submission, part A and part B. So both needs to be completed by next Friday, which will be, I guess, today's 15th. So just check the calendar. 25th of July. Okay. So with that, I will stop recording and you have to complete this work.